Okay, children. The task is you have to tell me a sentence that is in simple past. Simple past. Yes, Bharat. We played a game. Yes, Dakshita. I told you a story. Vishnu. Lokesh is played is wrong. Lokesh played volleyball. Very, very good. Next.
I called Narendra.
I called Narendra. Yes.
I asked a question.
I asked a question.
They sat in the class.
They sat in the class. Yes.
Akhil drank milk.
Akhil drank milk. Yes. Harini. Dakshita spoke Tamil. Yes. I drank water, not a water. I drank water. Yes. I took a book. Good. She drank milk. Yes.
She wrote a letter from his grandfather.
Why, yes. He wrote a letter to grandfather. Yes.
Narendra drank milk.
Narendra drank milk.
Narendra drank milk.
Right.
Iswar
Played football. Good. Jasmine. I gave you a pen. Simple. Very good. You? Once again. Made. It's not mad. You made a kite. Right. Very good. Next.
My brother went to Nellore.
My brother went to Nellore. Excellent. Yes, wait. Yes.
I played test cricket.
I played cricket. Yes. Tell me.
Opened windows.
My mother opened windows. Good.
Dakshita listened to ALS.
Dakshita?
Is listened to ALS.
No. Dakshita is. Dakshita
Listened to ALS.
listened. Good. A lesson. Vishnu.
My mother is asked a question.
My mother.
Is asked.
No. Is asked is wrong. My mother
My mother
asked
a question.
a question. Good.
Sunil ate biryani.
Sunil ate biryani. Good.
I speak English.
I spoke English. Right. Yes. Prashant. Sunil cooked food. Good. Delicious food.
Akhil wrote biology.
Akhil wrote. Okay, right.
My family went to Tirupati.
My family went to Tirupati. Good.
My brother
Built a house. Good. Jansi. Tell me. Offering cooked food. Yes. She liked food. Good. I wrote a story.
I remembered my old school.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Remembered.
my friend invited me.
Invited me. Good.
Master, looked a house.
Yes. Looked. Yes. Right. Okay.
I agreed a party.
Agreed to go. Yes. Played cricket. Yes. I ate a mango. Good. Good. Yes. He broke a glass. Prashant, last question. Last. Sunil played cricket. Good. Yes, Babita. Huh? Sang. Once again. Yes, offering sang a song. Enough. Claps.